Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is December 1st, 2025. We are 9:14 a.m. Mountain Time, 11:14 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's take a quick look at the market right now. Nasdaq is actually down 0.5%. Dow is down 0.4. S&P is down 0.2. Um, Volume is much higher, so this could result in a distribution day if we kind of close lower at this level here, but it's a mild distribution day if it is so far based on the current drop. So we'll see what happens there. The market has come back from very strong rebound last week, so let's just take a quick look at the index. Here we are. We came back above the short-term moving average right now. We already bounced back from this morning's low, so that looks really good. Okay, let's go look at SPY. Or a similar action. Now, as long as we don't come back to the lows, I think we're good. But again, very important that we find support. I mean, we could come all the way back to the 10-day. That's something to be aware of. We could. So we'll see if that happens or not. But right now, so far, it's holding and it's finding support this morning. So far. But again, if that crumble, then Dow a little bit weaker. You can see it's more at the bottom range right now. So it already broke the morning lows, and now it's near. It's trying to bounce back a little bit, but it could go lower. I'm not. We'll see. But again, this one is still above 10-day. So all of them are above the 10-day, which is a good sign. Let's look at Russell ETF here. Here's the short-term moving average again. This one bouncing back a little bit. So again, the fact that they're all bouncing, instead of just going straight down, this morning is a good sign. Again, it still depends on how it closed though, right? Because if it closed at the lows here or breaking down, then that doesn't look good for the next day, right? It's about setting up for what happened next day, and so where we close is very important. So do we want to touch the short-term moving average and test it? Because we came up quite a bit, especially for Russell here. You see, 5 days of run, and if it even comes down for today and tomorrow, it's still a rally that is intact, right? Like if it comes down to the 10-day. So just something to be aware of. That could happen. Stocks on the move today. Because of the bad opening, not too many stocks. There's not 20 stocks here, at least with volume, right? So, yeah, PACS. This is one of the strongest health stock right now, and it just haven't given me a chance to even step in. If you missed this earnings gap up, like really, it just have taken off. I haven't been able to get in, and I don't want to chase it. It's just keep going, really extended. So that's something that's doing well. Credo is reporting today, so that could go, either way. Right now, it's near the previous high, and it could come back down or it could break out. I'm not sure which way it'll go. EVR, NTS, Barrick Mining, the gold. Let's see. Barrick Mining making new high this morning. So that's a very strong stock right now. GLD, looking at the gold price here. Um, it's making new high again, new recent high. So yeah, so that's a good sign. BKV. This is an oil gas UX exploration. It's doing really well lately. It's a nice bounce right now. 10-day slope is very strong. It's a long consolidation. It pulled back after a breakout, and now it's starting to go. And so that looks really good actually. Yeah. ADI. This is a technology semiconductor analog devices. This one also break out from this recent trend from earnings, and since then it has taken off as well. It hasn't really come back at all. So a little bit extended, but it's breaking out nicely. Okay, you have UFCS, Urban, Nvidia. It's trying to bounce back this morning, up 0.9, so that's a good reversal, but it's still below this trend line right there. Look at Palantir quickly, they're kind of very similar. So this one also bounced back from this morning low again. There's this downtrend line that they're still below, right? So okay, TMDX, A-Lab. A-Lab, has been correcting quite a bit, and right now it's trying to make a move. So we'll see. Like it's still below the 50 days, starting to come down, but it'll get challenged there for sure. So something to watch out for. WWD is Woodward Aerospace Industry here. Very nice. Again, some of this recent announcement from earnings, have been doing really well. So that's also a good sign that some of these are reacting well, falling through today after this sideways movement. And notice it never came down to the 10-day. That's exactly what I want to see. Reddit also trying to make a move right now. It came, above all the moving averages, short-term moving averages. Right now making new high. It looks really good. WPM. This is gold stock. This one also bouncing nicely. It's yeah, looking really good. Marvel, BVN, ATAT. So let me see what else I have here. Okay, let's look at Marvel. Some of this hasn't reported yet, so this one's reporting soon. It's bouncing up nicely right now. MU, Micron, also bouncing right now. So nice support this morning. Again, reporting 18 days, still a while. Okay, let's look at some retail here. ATAT. This one is trying to make a move right now. This is a Chinese stock. There's a whole bunch of hotels that are doing well. This is one of them. I think there's H as well. This one is pulling back slightly right now. HTHT. This one is also Chinese one, bouncing this morning, looking pretty good. So there's some hotel. CVNA, Kavana, and Auto Group. Auto is also doing really well. Here's a nice round right side of the base building right now, looking pretty good. We have Melco Resorts. This is also in China, Macau, looking pretty good, bouncing. A lot of the Las Vegas Sands, they're doing really well. Um, they're not on my list because of the earnings, but they're pretty strong right now. There's Win as well. Here you go. And then we have Monster Drink here, doing pretty good, bouncing to new high. Very strong action. We have another auto stock here, Expel. This one also bouncing today. Very strong trend right now. And this is the 10-day slope, looking really good. So yeah, so the retails are doing pretty good here. We on the industrial, not many strong stocks today. It's JPHT. This one bouncing very nicely here to new high. KEX. This one also coming out, making new high here. I think we already talked about Woodward. Okay. On the health side, we have Penumbra. This is a nice uptrend here. Let's pull back a little bit. It's still above the 10-day nicely. Doesn't want to touch it. PNTG, this one making new high right now. Very strong action in the recent days. And we have HLMEM here, gold stock doing well. On the financial, not many stocks on my list today. Couple ones, let's see. EBC, this is a regional banks here. This one is it's a little bit choppy action, like right daily. So daily is a smaller stock, $19. But it's pulling back and you know, pretty sharp momentum here and bounce this morning. PNFP. This one also, a smaller stock here. This morning didn't want to come down to the 10-day. Nice slope here and bounce. All right, that's pretty much it. We'll see how this week turns out. We're in December. Market, let's take one more look at it. QQQ here. It's bouncing from this morning low, which is very healthy. And we're finding support here. That's a good. If we close here, that's a not a bad day at all. So, thank you all for watching. Have a good day.